Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that some users might encounter when working with PyTorch on certain machines. The issue arises when running code that involves CUDA operations, and you start seeing a pesky error about CUDA kernel operations not being supported. Frustrating, right? Now, on to the solution. To resolve this problem, you need to set up a few environment variables. By creating and defining the CUDA_home, path, and LD_library_path variables with the appropriate values, you can ensure that PyTorch works correctly on your machine. Once you've done that, you should be good to go and run your code without those annoying CUDA errors popping up. In summary, encountering CUDA errors when running PyTorch code on specific machines can be a real headache. However, by setting up the necessary environment variables as described earlier, you can kiss those errors goodbye and get back to coding smoothly. Happy coding, and may your CUDA errors be a thing of the past. And with that, we've reached the end of our video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop us a comment. Remember, a well-configured environment leads to a happy coder. Bye for now!